Is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
With that.
This is a test of the NOAA radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers normally are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday, 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed to the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated only for warnings and selected watches affecting the South Florida counties. In addition to the regular alarm tone, the NOAA radio system is equipped with an additional warning service called SANE that is short for specific area message encoder. Unlike the normal special receiver to be notified of watches and/or warnings affecting only the county desired. SANE radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, and commercial radio and television. For more information regarding the SANE program, contact your local National Weather Service office. This is the voice of the National Weather Service, NOAA Weather Radio.
No, we just wait for Ruskin. We'll go back in the house now.
59, listening area. Chance of thunderstorms. Winds and waves higher and near thunderstorms. Your coastal waters forecast for the WWG-59 listening area for the following marine location: coastal waters from
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Your coastal waters forecast for the WWG 59 listening area for the